Many automotive manufacturers will have some tolerance issues when they're manufacturing a vehicle. In this case, I wanted to show as a quick tip what you need to do to make sure that you know when you actually need 1 quart of oil when the vehicle is 1 quart low. This Explorer needs 6 quarts just to change the oil. Filled it up with 5 quarts, so that's exactly 1 quart low. And you'll see that actually it's kind of spread up a little bit, but it was halfway between this ridge right here and that hole. So the problem is, if you are somewhere in this crosshatch and you decide you want to put an additional quart of oil in because you think it's low, then you've actually overfilled the engine, and that could be damaging. So in this case, you want to make sure you know where that 1 quart low mark is, and wait until it gets to that point before you put a full quart of oil in there.
This Cadillac dipstick shows why it can be confusing to know when you're 1 quart low. Quite a few markings on there. On one of my cars, I took the dipstick out and ground a mark exactly at 1 quart low, so there's never any confusion when I'm having to check my oil.